Now question number 8. In a party, 60% of invited guests are male and 40% are female. If 80% of the invited guests attend the party and if all the invited female guests attended, what would be the ratio of male to female among the attendees in the party? Right. So now we will solve this question. The male invited is 60%, female invited is 40%, and out of 100, 80 out of 100 attended. Right? This is mentioned in the question. And another thing mentioned, that is all female has attended the party. So out of 100, 40% attended, and here it is given that all female. So 40 female has attended the party, and out of 100 invitation, 80 I attended, right? So remaining are male. So that is 80 minus 40 is the male. So the ratio is 40:40, that is 1:1, right? So for this question the answer is 1:1. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. I am not convinced that you get the procedure. Okay, now I am discussing the question again. In the question it is mentioned that 60% of invitation are male and 40% are female, and another condition mentioned that 80% out of 100 attended, 80% attended, and all female, that the female who are invited, all of them have attended the party. This is also mentioned in these two conditions is mentioned in the question, and it is mentioned that 40% of female are invited and all have come to the party. So 40 female attended the party because all female has attended, and total 80% attend that party. 80% attend the party, and out of 80, 40 is female, and remaining 40, what is that? So remaining 40 is obviously male. So the ratio is 40:40, that is 1:1. Thank you.